But I have a question. How do y'all get, like, in the crack here, get that all sanded down? Hi, welcome back. This evening, went to Home Depot. We got more rust reformer, and I got this thing. I'm gonna try it out. Gonna try to get the that's a cat again. The inner tub of the driver's side. Sorry about that. Get the driver's side inner fender kind of taken down. Y'all need a cat. Him and his brother are being really needy tonight. So much so I don't know if I'll get much done out here. But yeah. Anyways, the driver's back inner fender. We're gonna use this on it, see how well it does. And probably that wire wheel, if I guess if they'll let me. But anyways, oh no, don't you do that. Try to get him. Anyways, let me finish before he jumps up here again. Try to get that down to metal and put some of that rust reformer on it. But just thought of this. I mean, I haven't had a haircut in, I say, about a month or two. And this video gets 20 likes. I'll do the next video completely like this with no hat on. Who knows? May get more viewers this way. Anyways, at 20 likes on this video, I'll do next video with no hat on, my hair up. Anyways, let's get over there, try this thing out, and get that inner fender down to bare metal. Well, this thing worked really, really well. It was only 10 bucks, so I think I'm gonna invest in another one. I'll make getting that tailgate down to bare metal pretty quick, because it did numbers on that. Anyways, we got the tub covered. That black really brings out all the imperfections. As you can tell right there, it's pretty dinged up, but I think it'll work for me. I don't mind too much. Like I said before, I'm gonna put that rhino line or that lizard skin on it. But I have a question. How do y'all get, like in the crack here, get that all sanded down? So I'm gonna have an issue getting anything in there. I don't know if y'all have a special tool or what. If y'all have any suggestions, please leave in the comments below. But yeah, I think it turned out all right. Well, that's all I got for y'all tonight. But remember, 20 likes and I'll do a video without my cap. See y'all next time.